Hello, it's Helen and welcome to my super small London kitchen. Today we're going to make this delicious Italian inspired baked chicken breast recipe. It's got chicken, garlic, lemon, basil, tomatoes, lots and lots of flavour, and what's really brilliant about it is that it's just as cold as it is hot. So we're going to make a double batch, cook once and eat twice. So let's get cooking. So I've got some chicken breast fillets. You can buy chicken breast fillets or you can buy whole chicken breast and cut them into 3 or 4 strips. We're then going to add a really generous glug of olive oil, all that lovely olive oil flavour. And I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic. I've just peeled and roughly cut it. A teaspoon of Mediterranean seasoning. You can use an Italian seasoning, a herb de Provence, it doesn't really matter. Add that. Now I'm going to add some lemon zest. I've got a fine microplane, just to quickly zest that over. Lovely sunshine and Italian flavours. And now I'm going to give it a roll. Bit of gentle pressure, that means you'll get more juice out of it. Cut it in half, and I'm just going to squeeze this over my chicken. I've added the lemon juice, and now with a pair of tongs, I'm going to just give this a really good toss so the chicken's coated with the oil, the garlic, the herbs, and the lemon. I'm just cutting my cherry tomatoes in half. I'll arrange these over the pieces of chicken. Then we're going to add a bay leaf, cover and cook. I find chicken breast can dry out, and my favourite way to cook it is to cover and cook it at a higher temperature than you would do normally, so it has less time in the oven. Now I'm going to add a bay leaf and plenty of lovely black pepper. So the oven's preheated to 210 fan, that's about gas 7, and as I said, it's a hotter temperature, but we're going to cook for less time. So we cover with foil and then pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. The chicken's had 10 minutes in the oven. We're going to take the foil off and then pop it back in the oven for another 10 to 12 minutes. You can see the chicken's already started to poach and it's nearly cooked. The chicken's had another 10 minutes in the oven and is now perfectly cooked. You can see the chicken's got lots of gorgeous sauce. So what I like to do is, when serving this cold, is to get some of the sauce and mix it with an equal quantity of mayonnaise and natural yogurt. It makes a lovely thick creamy sauce that you can then pour over. In fact, I think it's almost better cold than it is hot. So now to garnish. I'm going to sprinkle my freshly cut parsley over, and then add a few sprigs of fresh basil. And there we have it, this gorgeous Italian-inspired baked chicken breasts. And now for the all-important cook's taste test. Delicious! Chicken is moist, it's infused with the lemon, the garlic, the herbs. Scrumptious!